Okay, let's jump right into this explainer and explore how modern technology is completely transforming the way we look at our food. I mean, we've all been there, right? You're standing in the grocery store aisle, staring blankly at a nutrition label, doing complex mental math just to figure out what you're actually putting into your body. Well, thankfully, the tools we have today have evolved way beyond those frustrating old calorie counting books. Today, we're looking at some fantastic source material that maps out the absolute cutting edge of nutritional analysis tools. Now, an important thing to grasp right off the bat is that tracking nutrition isn't just about strict dieting anymore. It's really about health autonomy. It's a massive part of what's being called the wellness revolution. This is all about you taking the driver's seat. You're using real data and smart gadgets to actively and intelligently manage your own well-being, essentially taking back control from generic, one-size-fits-all health advice. So to map out our journey today, we are covering 1. The wellness revolution, 2. Everyday smartphone apps, 3. Advanced nutritional scanners, 4. AI calorie cameras, 5. Smart kitchen technology, and finally, 6. Empowering your health. Okay, Section 1, Everyday Smartphone Apps, the barcode baseline. Let's kick things off with the tools that honestly probably started your very own health journey. The app market has diversified so much recently. It's not just about core trackers like MyFitnessPal or Lose It anymore, though don't get me wrong, those are absolutely fantastic for fast barcode scanning. But the tech has branched out to serve very specific personalized needs. Apps like Foodicate, for example, actually grade your food and suggest healthier alternatives. Then you have ShopWell, which factors in your personal dietary restrictions and allergies. And if you're someone who needs a village to succeed, apps like Spark People and WW integrate barcode scanning right into supportive community networks. Basically, they give you the exact kind of backup you need so you don't accidentally eat a whole chocolate cake by yourself. The foundation behind all these apps is actually super simple, but it's incredibly powerful. They rely on massive databases. We're talking Calorie King or the collaborative worldwide database Open Food Facts, and the sheer scale of these databases is staggering. They house millions upon millions of products, so the exact second you scan a barcode, the app pings those databases and instantly translates a generic product label into actionable, detailed health data right in the palm of your hand. Moving on to Section 2. Advanced nutritional scanners, the molecular fingerprint. Now here's a really fascinating question. What if scanning a barcode just isn't enough, especially if you're eating fresh food that doesn't even come in a package? This is where we see a massive leap in technology. Standard barcode scanning just looks up a pre-existing label, right? It assumes the factory made the food exactly as that label states. But NIR spectroscopy, that is completely different. It analyzes the actual physical chemical makeup of the specific plate of food sitting right in front of you. We are literally moving from reading a generic barcode to taking a unique molecular fingerprint of your actual meal. I know it sounds like pure science fiction, but tools like CO and Telspec make this a reality in 3 super simple steps. Step 1, you just point a handheld spectrometer at your food. Step 2, the near-infrared technology analyzes how light bounces off the chemical composition of the meal. And boom, Step 3, you view the exact allergens, calories, and nutrients on your paired mobile app. You are quite literally scanning your food's DNA before you even take a bite. And beyond those general handhelds, the industry is building some highly specialized sensors. Take the NEMA sensor, for instance. It's a portable, chemistry-based lifesaver designed specifically to detect gluten. Absolutely huge for anyone with serious sensitivities. On the commercial side, the tech is really intense. You have systems like the Bruker Food Screener or PerkinElmer's lab-grade analyzers. Essentially, what we're seeing is the exact same multi-million-dollar technology used for food scientists in pristine laboratories being slowly miniaturized and put right into our pockets. Let's dive into Section 3, AI calorie cameras, vision meets nutrition. This is where the camera on your smartphone evolves from just taking simple pictures into acting as a brilliant AI nutritionist. So, one of the biggest hurdles in nutrition is portion estimation. Let's be totally honest, it is notoriously difficult for us humans to accurately eyeball a cup of rice. We almost always want to give ourselves just a little more, right? Well, by simply snapping a photo, apps using computer vision and 3D imaging take that heavy lifting completely out of the equation. NutriRay 3D uses actual 3D imaging combined with AI to estimate macros and portion sizes. Then you have SIFT, along with tools like FitGenie, MealVisor, and Vitamin, which use advanced image recognition. You literally just take a picture, and the AI calculates the calories for you. It totally removes the daily friction of manual data entry. But sensory technology is everywhere now, and it's definitely not just limited to cameras. Take the Prep Pad, which is a smart scale that pairs with an app to analyze whatever you place on it. Or, and this is even more amazing, the Healby Goby. This is a wearable device that doesn't even look at your food at all. It estimates your calorie intake automatically through a combination of impedance and accelerometer sensors. It actually monitors how your body processes glucose internally. It's a totally, completely different, inward-looking approach to nutritional analysis. All right, Section 4, Smart Kitchen Technology, Ambient Wellness. Let's explore how your actual physical environment can proactively help manage your nutritional goals. The standard refrigerator is rapidly becoming the absolute brain of the healthy kitchen. You've got magnetic sensors tracking your habits and smart thermometers sending alerts straight to your phone if the temperature drops, meaning your food stays safer longer. But the real standout here is the fridge cam. It literally takes pictures of the inside of your fridge, letting you track exactly what you have and when it expires. Not only does this drastically reduce food waste, but it also might just make you think twice when you feel your fridge quietly judging you for opening the door for the 5th time in an hour looking for snacks. And of course, the wellness journey starts way before the food even gets to the fridge. Digital shopping lists have pretty much entirely replaced the old paper notepad. Apps like Our Groceries and Cozy are perfect for families because they sync in real time, keeping everyone on the same page. If you're a highly analytical person, an app like Out of Milk is incredible. It doesn't just track what you need to buy, it includes a pantry list feature to track your existing inventory. We've all had that frustrating moment, right? Coming home from the store only to realize you forgot the one specific ingredient you needed for dinner. These apps completely solve that problem, ensuring your kitchen is always stocked exactly for your specific dietary needs. It's really amazing how easily we can transform our physical space these days. You can stick an Amazon Echo Show right onto your fridge for voice-activated recipes. You can use Rocketbook beacons, which are these super clever reusable stickers that turn your fridge door into a cloud-connected digital whiteboard. Or you can use a Boogie Board sync pad to digitally draw up your meal plans. Your kitchen is no longer just a place to store food, it's a fully interactive ambient health hub. Which brings us to our final section, Section 5. Empowering your health, choosing your tools. How do we actually apply all of this incredible cutting-edge tech to our daily lives? Well, the source material gives us some absolutely perfect advice right here. The wellness revolution is, by definition, highly personal. What works perfectly for a professional athlete might not work at all for a busy parent. You really have to experiment. You must trial these devices, whether it's a simple everyday app or a fully integrated smart fridge camera, to find the exact tools that seamlessly fit into your unique lifestyle and remove your personal friction points. The options out there are practically endless, and honestly, they're only getting smarter by the day. Whether you decide to start today with a simple barcode scanner on your phone, or maybe you're ready to invest in a molecular spectrometer to chemically scan your meals, the choice and the power are entirely yours. So, looking at everything we've uncovered today, what will you try first?